The 7 principles of HACCP need to be supported through a prerequisite programme. Prerequisite programmes provide the basic environmental and operating conditions that are necessary for the production of safe, wholesome food. Common prerequisite programmes include cleaning and sanitation, maintenance, personal hygiene and training, pest control, plant and equipment, premises and structure, services such as ice, ventilation or water, storage, distribution and transport, waste management and zoning. HACCP prerequisites are important requirements that are put in place to ensure the implementation of a safe system of work. They are designed to safeguard the welfare of anyone who consumes food from a professional kitchen environment. We will go through each of these prerequisites in detail. Okay, let's move on. Cleaning and sanitation involves establishing a cleaning schedule, documenting the process, the use of hot water and sanitizer, correct hand washing procedures, and clean locker rooms. Use disinfectant to make surfaces hygienic after you've cleaned the surface with hot water and detergent. It's cheaper and more effective to buy separate detergents and disinfectants. Schedules for cleaning. Cleaning schedules need to be made for all equipment and plants on a daily or weekly basis. Equipment must be checked regularly to make sure it's working properly and that nothing is in danger of breaking off into food. The premises where food is being processed or prepared must be clean and safe. Documentation. The cleaning process needs to be documented to make sure it's been completed. Hot water and sanitizer. Hot water and sanitizer must be used to disinfect surfaces. Clean the surface first, then sanitize. Hand washing. Employees must wash their hands before handling food, when switching from raw food to cooked food, after smoking or eating, and after using the toilets. Locker rooms. Locker rooms must be made available to make sure clean clothing can be segregated from dirty clothing and uniforms.